times. So you go 1, 2, 3. The downfall to this is the range is limited to the factory key. The upside is you don't have to carry an extra key fob. Now, I did notice when testing this earlier inside the building that when you remote start it, gas engine kicks on. After a few seconds, hybrid mode will take over. So the ready light is on, the AC is on, everything is still remote started and working. And then you guys can also cancel remote start by pushing lock 3 times. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit 1, 2, 3. You'll hear the fans and everything turn off, and then the parking lights and auto lights will turn off after a few seconds when they time out. Now keep in mind, the remote start runtime is 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the car will turn off. It will just remain in the off state, and there's nothing that you guys need to attend to. You can remote start it. When you guys are ready to leave, you come out, push unlock, get in the car, put it in drive or reverse, and you can drive away. Okay, so we have the app module pulled up right now. I'm gonna go over the basic functions here, and then I'm gonna show you guys what each one of them does. So top left is remote start, top right is remote stop. So once you start it, you can cancel it by pushing the top right button. We have lock, unlock, and if we hit this little arrow, we can even pop the trunk. Now, this isn't preset on the app. You guys will actually have to set up the trunk pop, but it does work. So when you hit this, it'll just pop the lid back there and you can open the trunk. And then we have the little map pin right here, which is going to be a real live GPS location of your car. This is not a tracker. It's not gonna leave breadcrumbs. It's not gonna show you where your car's been earlier in the day, but it does show you where it is right now in real time. And then we're gonna go back, and then the little building icon here is basically all of 12-volt solutions information. So we have address, business hours, phone number, email, Facebook page, website, all that jazz. So any way you need to get a hold of them is listed right here on the information page of the app. All right, so homepage. Door lock status says unlocked. I'm gonna go ahead and hit lock. Parking lights are gonna flash on the car. The doors lock. And then once the remote start provides the feedback to the app module, this will update. Now it says doors locked. So if I hit doors unlocked, parking lights are gonna flash twice. The doors unlock. This will update and tell you that the doors are now unlocked, just like that. Now the cool thing is, if the doors are unlocked and you hit remote start, they're automatically gonna lock after the car starts. So this is gonna run for 15 minutes. I noticed earlier when I was testing it that gas engine kicks on as soon as you remote start it. It'll die out after a few seconds, and it's in hybrid mode. So the ready light is on the cluster, the AC is still on. So, you know, technically it's still remote started and everything is energized and working as it should, except for the gas engine is off. There we go. So we'll have parking lights front and rear during remote start mode. Now, if I hit the remote start cancel button right here, it's gonna turn it off. And then after a few seconds, the parking lights and everything will turn off and the doors will stay locked, and you guys can just go about your business, and there's nothing that you need to do out here at the car.